My name is Dana Pollock. I am the CEO and founder of Dana's Bakery. We are one of the first ever direct-to-consumer bakeries of our time. We specialize in really fun, traditional desserts, but with an American spin. Every day is different, which is really good because I tend to bore easily. I do get to recipe test and make really fun creations. That's a really fun part of my job. While I was in culinary school, I fell in love with the French macaroon. I was like, how come people aren't making them in fun American flavors, nostalgic flavors, s'mores and red velvet and birthday cake? And I was like, let's just give it a go. No one else is doing it, so I'm going to do it. I've got a bunch of really great people that work at Dana's Bakery. Part of the perks of owning your own business is you get to create this team and family around you. And I try to fit in food throughout the day, usually eating our own stuff like cookies or macaroons. So before Dana's Bakery, I was a photo editor. I worked in the photo industry for over 10 years. Something was missing. I'd always loved baking. It was the way that I would alleviate stress when I wanted to show someone that I cared for them. And I was like, how come I'm not doing this for a living? How can I turn my passion into a career? I didn't have any investment, I didn't have any partners, I never went to business school, so I got scrappy. And I was like, how can I do this with what I know? And I thought, okay, I can have a website, I can sell it online, I'm a photo editor, I can take all the photos. So I just had to learn by making mistakes and fixing them and just being really smart. And I still have that scrappy mentality. And I think that it's good to have that. My unique genius is coloring outside the lines, making everything my own. When I think of expanding the product line, I'm not just going to do it the way that anyone else does it. I always want to put the Dana's Bakery spin on it. I think that I'm most motivated when I know that it's something that's going to make me really happy. Things are not worth doing and putting this much time, love, sweat, and energy into if it's not something that really fills you up.